Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. It's been a few weeks. Not been feeling too great, so I've just had to look after myself. But this week we are doing something a little bit different. So I've bought myself a brand new laptop that I've been after for a while, and I thought I would do the unboxing. So let's have a look, and I really hope you enjoy this. So, let's do the unboxing. So this is the box, and we're going to open it up, and as you can see you get the Norton 360, and this is the laptop. So as you can see here, you've got the laptop and the charger and the plug. So let's open up the laptop. So this is it. Wow, I must admit it's pretty nice. You can see all the design on it. You've also got here in the box the instructions and the setup guide in there. So here we have the laptop. So as you can see, it's really thin, and you've got your USBs and your charging port on one side, and you've got that. So as you can see, it is really slim and it's not heavy at all. It's really lightweight, and again, just appreciate the design on this. This is the rose gold colour. They do also come in blue and white, I think. And you open it up, and there it is. It's a mini laptop. Excellent. The one thing I do like about this laptop is the keypad feature. I don't know if it's showing up on camera there, but you have like a number pad on here. I don't know if you can see it. And the other thing I do like about this laptop is that you can actually open it and put it all the way flat, like that. And here it is, just running through the setup. Here's a better view of the number pad that comes on it, which is really good. And you literally press here to change it to the number pad, and then change it back to the tracking pad. Must admit, the colour is gorgeous. So here we are, just going through the setup. So is this the right keyboard layout? And United Kingdom, yes. Do you want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip. And now it's just going to find our Wi-Fi. And that is the setup complete. Obviously I couldn't show you most of it because I'm not going to show my personal details. But there. And that is it. So I hope that you enjoyed this really short and little unboxing. And yeah, the laptop seems really good. I'm excited to get it used properly and get a good few days worth of use out of it, so I can really navigate my way around it. But yeah, I'm really glad that I've managed to get hold of one. I've been after it for quite a while, and it has been out of stock everywhere for a long time, and one came back in stock and I was lucky enough to grab it at the right time. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all in next week's video. Bye.